Before starting the installation, be sure to turn off the main power switch. Pry open the original socket panel. Continue to use a screwdriver to remove the socket body. Expose the internal wiring terminals. Draw parallel lines according to the installation position of the track. Apply the included nail-free adhesive to the back buckle. Align the back buckle with the parallel line and press it down. Attach the complementary auxiliary sticker and let it sit for 48 hours. Remove the auxiliary patch after 48 hours. Insert the original socket power cord correctly into the wiring clip. Insert the power cord of the track socket into the wiring clip as well. Complete the wiring. Align the track with the buckle and press it until you hear a clicking sound. Drilling installation method. Align and fix the back buckle with the parallel line using screws. Align the track with the buckle and press it until you hear a clicking sound.